If you think that changing the motor on your Henry vacuum cleaner will be a difficult task, think again. I'm here today to show you just how quick and easy this can be done. I'm going up against the clock and I've unplugged it from the mains. The clock is going to start as soon as I touch the vacuum cleaner. Okay, here goes. Right, so you flip over his lid and then there's 7 screws to undo underneath. So we'll undo those. If you need a step-by-step guide with close-up pictures and stuff, then I've got that video I'm going to link to at the end of this video. But for now I'm going to stop talking because it's slowing me down and I want to get my really personal best record going on here. Okay, so once the 7 screws are undone, you wiggle that top off and then you'll see a ring. Take that ring off the motor, pull your motor out, unplug the wires from your motor. This is a 620 watt motor that we just found on all the newer Henrys. If you need to buy it, you can do on the link in the description. This is the point where I wish I'd worn my glasses, but I'm far too vain for that. I've put the motor back in, I've remembered to put the ring back in, I've put the base back on, I've fit my drill to that setting so it tightens, and we're going to do up these 7 screws. Again, if you need to know the screw sizes and stuff, you can watch my next video in a minute, but for now I just want to get it done. Stop the clock. Right, so there's my time, but have I fixed it? Just turn it on at the mains. So this is the important bit. He's alive and well. And there you go. That's how quickly and easy it is to change a Henry motor. Stop buying new vacuum cleaners. Stop sending these things to landfill. They're far too happy for all that. If you need that video I've been talking about, showing you step by step with more close-ups and more detail, this is the one here. I actually do it blindfolded in this video, but I do have another camera showing you more how to do it and talking you through it better. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face. Thank you for watching.